Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you are well. Today I will start a new chapter. Chapter 9 and topic 1. Rural areas. What is our topic? Rural areas. So everybody, every students, please open your book, page number 44. First read the book properly. After finishing your reading, I will explain the topic. What is our topic today? Rural area. What is our topic? Rural area. So first we have to learn the definition. What is called rural area? The definition of rural area. In general, a rural area is a geographic area that is located outside towns and cities. This is called rural areas. Now we have to know the locality. Student, what is our chapter names? Is locality, developing our locality. So now we have to know learn the locality. What is called locality? A place, spot or district with or without references to anything or persons in it or to occurrences there. This is called locality. Again, what is called locality? A place, spot or district with or without references to things or persons in it or to occurrences there. This is called localities. Now, we have to know what type of facilities we need to the rural areas or from the rural areas. The type list of the facilities. Here the list of the facilities. The rural areas. What type of facilities we need the rural areas? Educational institutions, medical facilities, roads, bridge, culverts, tube well, sanitary toilet. In every village we need it. Drainage and canals, ponds, electricity, village market. These types of facilities we need where? From the rural areas. Now, as a citizen, what is our duty? To develop the rural areas. As a citizen, our duty is to develop our rural areas or the locality is okay. We can make bamboo bridges, we clean our drinking water, to build playground, to clean roads, drains, to make places for throwing waste. As a citizen, we can make all the things. Students, now I will explain the whole topic one more time through the flowchart. Okay, first, the locality. What is the definition of locality? A place, spot or district with or without references to things or persons in it or to occurrences there. This is called locality. Now the rural areas. What is the definition of rural areas? In general, a rural area is a geographic area that is located outside towns and cities. For example, our villages. Our villages is the what is called the rural areas because it is the outside from the city. Okay, now what type of facilities we need to improve the rural areas? The facilities: educational institutions, medical facilities, roads, bridges, culverts, tube well, sanitary toilet, drains and canals, ponds, electricity, village market. Now our duties. As a citizen, what is our duties? To develop our rural area or our locality. We can make bamboo bridges. We can clean our drinking water. We can build playground. We can clean roads, drains. We can make places for throwing wastes. I discussed the whole topic. Students, now you will read the lecture sheet properly and practice the exercises. So for today my class is over. So take care students. For today, Allah Hafiz.